सर
कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का लेवल जो है लेस देन कितने ppm होना चाहिए?
डोंट नो सर, ये तो मैंने नहीं देखा।
3000।
राइट, चलिए आप देखें, आपसे मैं अभी आपका नोट कर लेता हूँ। आप यू शुड आंसर नेक्स्ट इन और नेक्स्ट सेशन में आप हमें आंसर करेंगे जी। अभी ये जो है इसका नाम नहीं आ रहा है, 007 जेम्स बॉन्ड 007, ये प्लीज अपना इंट्रोडक्शन कराएं मुझे।
Assalamualaikum, sir. My name is Muhammad Mahad. I'm from Rifa College of Sciences.
राइट, वेलकम मोहम्मद महाद।
Can you hear?
जी मोहम्मद महाद, let us know that which video you watched our Hyco Poultry House Construction। आपने कौन सी वीडियो देखी है?
Yeah, sir. The title of the video was "What the Bird Needs."
Right, that's good.
The one you sent in the group.
Right. So let us know that what the birds need, especially in oxygen level.
Yeah, sir. It should be more than 19.5% oxygen level.
Very good, very good. And what are the requirements of the humidity?
Sir, the optimal environment should be 50%, but it can reach up to 80.
Right, that's good. And what is the level of carbon monoxide? Less than is
Sir,
feasible for the birds.
It is less than 10 ppm.
Right, right. And what is the level is recommended for the birds of the ammonia?
It is also less than 10 ppm.
Very good. It's very easy for you that carbon monoxide and ammonia levels are the same. And what is the recommendation regarding the dust level? It's greater than, not less than.
It's less than 3.5 milligram per meter square